In this video, I'll show you how to transfer a Google Calendar to another account, step by step, so you can move ownership or give another Google account full control of the calendar without getting confused along the way. This is super helpful if you're switching accounts, sharing a work calendar, or handing a calendar over to a teammate, family member, or another email you manage. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You'll want to do this on a desktop or laptop because the calendar sharing and permission settings are easiest to manage from a browser. Once Google Calendar is open, look toward the top right area and click the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Then click Settings from the menu. This will take you into the main Google Calendar settings page where you can manage all of your calendars and sharing options. On the left side, find the section called Settings for My Calendars. Here, you'll see a list of calendars connected to your account. Select the calendar you want to transfer. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you have more than one calendar, because this is the part where you decide which calendar the new account will be able to manage. After selecting the calendar, look for the option that says Share with specific people or groups. This is where you add another person to the calendar and give them the correct level of access. Click that option, then add the new Google account's email address in the field provided. Be careful to type the email correctly so the invitation goes to the right account. Next, you'll need to set the permission level. Open the Permissions drop-down and choose Make Changes and Manage Sharing. This is the most important step because it gives the new account full control over the calendar, including the ability to edit events and manage sharing settings. Once the permission is set, click Send. Google Calendar will send an invitation to the new account, and that account will need to accept it before it can fully manage the calendar. Now switch over to the new Google account and open the invitation email you just sent. Inside the email, click Accept. After accepting the invitation, open Google Calendar while signed into the new account. Once the calendar appears there, the new account can now manage the calendar and its events. That means they can edit entries, update details, and handle sharing depending on the permissions you granted. If you were trying to transfer control of a calendar to someone else, this is the key step that gives them access. And that's it. You've now learned how to transfer Google Calendar to another account by sharing it with the right permissions and accepting the invitation on the new account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.